There is problem.
What is it?
My mother called me last night. She said that Mazo Trupe, that my uncle that stood for me when you came to ask for my hand in marriage.
Mazo Trupe.
My uncle now.
Okay. The one that represented your father.
My father's younger brother.
Okay. What happened to him?
She said that he is dead though. Am I not the one here with you? How will I know what killed him?
Hey. So sorry for your loss. I've not heard.
That is why I'm telling you now.
Okay.
And I'm telling you earlier because they said they have fixed the burial for next week.
Okay.
You know, as an ogo, in-law, we are supposed to go.
Oh, definitely. We will attend the burial.
And as tradition demands, we will go there with 2 crates of beer, 2 wrapper. They even added goat. But I told my mother to remove goat, because since I came to this house, I've not even eaten 1 full pot of goat, not to talk of giving somebody live goat. Then an envelope added to it. It is tradition.
All these things for the burial. You and I know that there is nothing in this house that we struggle to even feed. There's no money in this house and you are mentioning all these items for the burial. I'm not saying that
I don't know how you want to raise the money. You can sell anything, your shoe, your knicker, anything. Just start thinking of how to raise the money from now. Don't push me on my face. I don't know your plans.
So you mean we are going to bring wrapper, bring 2 crates of beer and an envelope? Mezunorini. Do you want me to go stealing? You know that there's no money in this house. There's no kobo. Where do you expect me to get money to buy all these items? I am not saying that we are not going to attend his burial. But maybe later we pay them condolence visit.
Did I hear you say later? Ken, you mean the only uncle I had? They're doing his burial and I will not attend. Ken, it will not work. It will not work. I must attend that burial. And you must do all the rites and tradition as my husband.
So what do you expect me to do?
I don't know.
When there is no money.
I don't like this thing happening. No, I don't like this. My uncle there is out.
Drop it and get out!
Sorry,
bring the bottle down. Mama, stop helping her, it's her job. Bring the cups. You understand? One glass, I should be the one to open the wine?
sorry.
Sorry for yourself and open the wine! Fool! I called thee.
Should I pour for you?
No, drink it! Only Kobo, drink it!
Only Kobo. It must you drop.
No, even when I drop. She doesn't know how to do it. Only thing she knows how to do in this house is just to eat. Eat and eat! Sorry for yourself.
So my wife.
Get out. Go. Shoot.
But why do you allow her wear that short dress?
I'm on much seduce my husband.
That's where I'm coming from.
No. Oh, Miss Igoro the mommy. Because my husband doesn't look at fat fools like her. Please enjoy yourselves. Enjoy yourself.
Papa.
Hey, Ogami.
I greet you.
Yeah,
I can see you are enjoying yourself.
Yes, Biko, come and join us.
No, but I would have loved to, but I need to go out. I need to settle some things. Yes, we have more of this in the house.
Yes, that's true.
I'm sure my sweetheart will take care of you. I want you to enjoy yourself.
My daughter is really taking care of us.
I know, I trust her. Baby.
Alright, my love.
Easy with the children. We
Alright,
still have more in the house.
Hey,
You can take it one.
is that so?
When taking them home, I would like to go with the escorts.
Oh, that's no problem. You're free to do anything. Anything for them.
Oh,
Anything for them.
thank you very much. I love you.
I love you too.
We love you.
I love you too, Mama. Mama, I have a very small package for you. My love will give it to you.
Hey!
Save Johnny.
I'm gonna do us again.
Onye Kambo.
Nah. This is Abuziano.
Yesterday.
You are talking about the house.
Yes, my dear. What I'm saying is, I can't have such a rich in-law. I still live in a downstairs in the village. How will people know that I have an in-law who is stickily rich?
Don't worry, Papa. On our way back to the village now.
Oh, his in-law. He's driving out.
Bye. Like Papa, like I was saying, on our way back to the village now. I will get an architect that will take a plan, set the plan of the house. Because before December, something like this or close to this, they are on our house. By that time, Farmaro Isiego and her family have arrived.
Wesley, like I forgot me no joke what talking akamu.
You can say that again. You can say that again.
I want a room of my own. I trust me share with your father.
Okay.
No problem. I will live upstairs. I won't even be downstairs with you.
Oh my God, just a penthouse.
This is the best moment of my life. My best friend. And the best part of my life is
Maria.
Madam, good day.
You don't sing your stupid, useless mouth. You just said good day. Are you stupid? I've been going around this house, calling your name, shouting like a lunatic. You're up your duty post. You are here.
Madam, make I've come back on job now.
Wait. Maria, how many people are eating this food?
It's only me now.
Only you.
By myself.
Me no be that. Hey! No wonder you are this large. Other people are the big, fat, but you are extra large. You. Maria, do you want to kill yourself? Do you want to commit suicide in my house?
But it will not be enough.
Shut up! I'm talking. Hey! No wonder. Anytime my husband will be complaining, literally to my husband, I want to finish his money. Let me tell you, I am in charge. Henceforth, I will be the one dishing out your food. In fact, for 1 week, you're not supposed to eat. Shut up! You want me to slap the food off your mouth? You can't even tell me. Are you mad? Have you gone bonkers?
Sometimes.
1 week, me, pure water. 1 week, 1 pure water. I'll be dishing out your food. You want to finish my husband's money? It will not work for you. I am now in charge. Give me it. Put it. After cooking, you call me, let me dish out your food. Do you hear me? You go home. And wash your hand and come and do something for me.
Madam, pity for me now, my destiny. I won't do that. I will walk again, no. I don't close. I've closed for today. No food, no work. I've closed.
So now make I know bother to watch this one. No verse. I should not verse. No verse.
Domestic staff. You need to get other domestic staff that will be loyal to me. You've abandoned them. They disrespect me as your wife. I don't like it. If you don't have where to get people, I can go to my village and get some domestic staff to serve us.
Wait. Babe, you mean you just came outside the house and my gate man just slapped you like that?
No, it's not like that. He didn't do what he was supposed to do this morning, and I slapped him, and he tried to slap me back. Can you imagine that?
Wait, you imagine that? Maybe when you slapped him.
Are you saying I'm wrong by slapping an ordinary gate man?
No. Wait. Just watch how far this play now. Just wait. You slapped him. Then he now tried. Baby, don't watch.
Oh my God! He tried to slap me. An ordinary gate man. My love, I don't want to see them in this house again. I don't want to see them in this house. No!
My dear, do you know the last time I spoke with this young mom? She was sounding so happy and fulfilled. Eh? As if she has the whole world in her arms. Hey,
You see, she's lucky.
I'm happy for her. I'm really happy.
It's just that I'm thinking.
Thinking? About what?
About us.
Us what?
Hey.
Anyway,
At times, I just think we took the wrong step in marriage. Or maybe we rushed so fast. Because if we had waited for a while, we would have gotten a good man, a better one.
Ifoma. Emihana say medicine after death. Yes, because we have gone too far to go back. With the only thing we need to do now is to put joy and happiness into our lives. So manage this marriage and pray for a better tomorrow. Pray for the future. I believe it will be better. Chika Kamma. Let's just pray for a better tomorrow for our children. That's all. Regretting will not do us any good. You cannot come back. We cannot just go back. So,
I understand what you're saying, but look at me now. The condition in my family is getting critical. Look at my condition. I need assistance. And my husband's business has been so dull these days. Just that this crisis in the north now is affecting his business.
Oh, Nemo, I feel your pain. Shay, okay, them. Hey, wow.
Your boss knows the one I did not. I make a man who will tell me. No, for none. Mr. Large, what do you think you are doing? Good morning, Kegi. Is this how to clean the house? I saying good morning. Is this morning? Where you be eating and sleeping? It's the afternoon. It's past 2 p.m. And I came to tell you that what I'll be having this afternoon is pounded yam, nsala soup with fresh fish. And make sure it doesn't taste as bad as you are.
I don't know how to prepare that.
Sorry? Are you talking to me? Eh? What are you paid for? What are we paying you for if you don't know how to prepare nsala soup with fresh fish?
In fact, I can't cook. I can't.
Pardon? You can't cook.
I will not do it.
Oh. Yeah, and even in where pikota nwoke dika nwoke. So I will come and enjoy myself. If I tell you to do something, you will not do it. You are very stupid. Oh, yes.
She doesn't come. Nyanya! I'll cook, I'll drink, I will yam. It is strong. What? It won. She lifted you up.
She lifted me up.
So because she said she wants to eat palanya, that's why you're already molding her. Yes! For what? What's the meal that? Yes! And I will mold her again. So nonsense. You know what? God will punish you. God will punish you.
What is your heart?
God will come aside.
God has already punished you.
It's okay. God will punish you. According to no, that's wickedness. God will give you punishment. That's wickedness. God can punish somebody, but not like this. Please, Lydia. Go back to your place. No. Sweetheart,
let me start with punishment.
Sweetheart, you were running like this. You didn't do it. Go back again. Stop it, man. Go, Lydia. God will punish you. Stop now. You are carrying chair. You don't know I came. You didn't carry chair. Calm down now. What is wrong with you?
I should calm down.
What will you do?
I should calm down. Let me take it out on you. You are not a man.
Why are you violent?
You are not a man. How can you employ that large cook? And all you could do is take it easy. Take it easy. Instead of you to sack her.
No.
You are not a man.
Everybody knows I'm a peace
ambassador.
I'm a peace ambassador. I want peace. Why would you be bringing yourself low as to fight my domestic staff? It's not good now.
So what you're saying now is that I'm wrong?
You're not wrong, but I mean it's obvious. If I was not here now, that's why I should just show you to God, and bring you down.
That's more that's vital now. So you brought somebody extra large to kill me?
No, I employed her before I came for you. You understand?
Because Saka, get somebody of my size. Get somebody that can be beaten. I don't want that again in this house.
It's alright. Listen, just trust me. Stay here. I will go there and teach her the lesson of her life. Yes, let me handle this. Yeah? Let's go. Let me know why she will lift you up and do not bring you down. Yes.
Now!
I have been thinking since so.
What is it?
This suffering is not getting any better. We cannot die in this, oh. We cannot die in this. I think we need to go and see Isioma. Yes. She cannot be living in a mansion while we are here suffering. What are friends for now? It's not possible. We need to go and see her.
Amara.
Eh?
Did you hear yourself?
I heard myself now.
You want to go and see Isioma?
Isioma of all people.
Yeah. Please, I'm not interested. If you want to go and receive the insult on yourself and come back and tell me what she told you. Because I know Isioma with a bad mouth. Someone that can talk anyhow. That will tell you all the history of your life. I don't want to go, please. Look at me. See bone. Say I'm not looking good. And I don't know whether I will go there to Isioma will start insulting me and tell me all the whole story of my life. How my father and my mother gave birth to me. I saw me. Let me just hide myself like this here.
Peace in this house because we have Isioma. Somebody will not have peace. You will not drink water and drink coffee.
You think because you're fast, I cannot fight you. I will kill you.
Hey, what is the meaning of this? Hey! Fight!
I will do it.
Hit me! I want to jump her!
I'm just trying to see.
Slow! Because they're fighting! I have to jump her! Are you crazy?
She did because she has I have single bones.
If you try on that back, it's what I'll do to you. Can you not drop yourself and leave this place? What's wrong with you?
I will scatter you. We have to get 10 naira.
No problem.
I have to get 10 naira. Think because of that. I have single bones.
Everywhere is shaking. Everywhere is shaking. My fuel got finished. It's okay.
That's today. My fuel is not full. Everyone.
All of you go!
Because they are large. I'll use my single boy and scatter you. I would have jumped her.
I'm disappointed.
Hey, you! I'm not disappointed at you. Yes. Look at you. Are you not supposed to be the boss? Is this not your house? Hey, to the again with you alone. Sack them! Can you imagine? That dirty, ugly Maria, ordinary cook, has the guts to lay her first fingers at me. Your wife!
Okay, fine, let me explain. No, let me explain. No, wait, I just shot this sack. It's not because of your own good. Everything I'm doing is because of you. Let me just tell you the truth, I've not told you before. They are my blood relatives. Yes! Listen, if I sack them now and they go back to the villagers will say, because you just married a new wife now, and a new wife is not driving all your family members, they will say you're a bad woman. That is why I'm just managing them. What is wrong with you? Are they mad? If they say let us do this sack, I can't sack them.
Let them say it. Let them say I'm a bad woman. Because they are blood relatives. They are relatives. Can they listen on? That's why you've been taking all the rubbish they've been doing in this house.
It's okay, just
I thought you said you love me.
I love you.
Sack them!
I love you, but it's not you to drive all my relatives. I'm trying to understand.
Sack them. Take them off. Call people that I can treat the way I want.
Okay.
I can maneuver the way I want.
It's okay, but
people that I can shit on their head and shit.
It's alright.
Call those kind of people.
It's alright. We have toilets here if you want to shit. But what I'm saying is, you do not come and be fighting. I don't know that you're this aggressive. Why would you fighting like this now,
Because she's large.
No, she's
Listen,
let me
I have single bone.
I know. You see this her size. You know we don't have security. I'm using her now just to see. I'm going to fight them.
So she like her bodyguard?
Yes, now I'm using one sword to kill two birds. Who will put this kind of thing in their house and be giving them? It's just one minute. Let's go back. I don't like you are fighting.
Oh, let me go now.
Come back now.
Listen,
Let's go between now. If I take you to Indonesia, is this how you will be?
Hey! Ewo! Isioma! Biko!
Just me and my husband. And the servant and our servant. Apita something. Pika chim chim. Come, let me go and show you around. Yes.
Isi. Isi ego.
What's up?
Hey, nnem. Inokwana lazy. Lekule n'ulo.
I told you today I was calling you on the phone that this is paradise on earth.
Oh, nnem. Thank you for inviting me. Oh, indeed, this is a paradise on earth. Indonesia and Nigeria. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. Oh?
You are welcome. I wonder why Ifoma did not come with you.
She wanted to come. Oh, I was even begging her to come. But she was afraid of your bad mouth. So that you will not finish her. So I just told her to stay. Let me come alone.
Amara, Kedi bad mouth in trying. I was telling us to peacock. I pita something. Otons where pita this my Melvin, my Indonesian burger. Only like her. I read already. Can you see? I'm money. Anyway, since she did not come with you, what I wanted to give both of you, I will now pack everything and give you. Jelly there.
Thank you. But I will still give her small if I get to the village.
That is your choice, Amara. Hey, na go de na rule. You know, million. I'm sure your baby is not getting enough nutrients. In a liquid vegetable, vitamins, minerals, even need the pregnant. Looking at in a chasing million. How is your tuntum or what tuntum husband? On our dog,
he's fine. It's just that he doesn't have bike anymore. There's no Okada again. He sold it.
Nya who needs a job? Nya we take it all you can know seketa. Yeah. I told you that time. If when I said I'm a bad mouth, I told you people, Pita Melvin. Look at me. I'm floating in money. I'm swimming in money.
I can see.
Hey, look at it. I'm living large.
I can see.
In short, I'm enjoying my own heaven on earth. Look at this. Look at everywhere. Look at my house.
Look at the car you came to pick me with.
Smell
now.
Me. Hey! Money is too much.
What are friends for?
Don't worry, before you leave my house, I've told my cook, you know I have a large cook. She's large. I told her to prepare something sumptuous for you. Thank
you.
Meanwhile, we'll start with the champagne.
There is a reason why I came. Man, I said, I want to boss if and get it. No more if
whatever reason you came, can wait. Enjoy yourself first. No, I've seen it. Share country. For this champagne from Indo, my husband imported it. Enjoy yourself. You want to beg me money? Don't worry, I will surprise you. My hot currency. What a French for? I'll bust your bubble. We be fair. Before you go. Before you go from my house, I don't get the car on your that's not how you drink champagne. It cannot see. Cheers. Maria! Is the food ready? What is it? Oh, sorry, I'm not used to it. You're not used to it. Sorry. You're not used to it. Okay, you're not used to it. Don't worry.
baby. Okay, fine. What's going on? This smile, the way you're smiling, what's happening?
Take a very good look at me. Look at me very well. Don't tell me that you can't see nothing.
Babe, listen. The only thing I can see is your beautiful face.
No, look well.
Your nice shape. Your nice smile. I can see nothing.
Look very well around the tummy area.
Wait.
You are going to be a father. Yes.
Yes! 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 Oh,
yes.
Thank you, Lord.
I want to be a father.
Take it easy. And if I don't stress yourself, let me.
Baby, oh God. Jesus.
Hey, Amara. Mara nke a banyero. Ihe niile a m pese ebe a ka m petala onwe m. I think I am even better off in my father's house. Yet, I cannot be here suffering. No morning food, no afternoon food, no night food. Just to answer a married woman. Hey! Husband. Imagine Ken. He's even worthy to be called my husband. Don't even say that word. He continental. No way. How can I go and start begging my mother money? It's not possible now. Imagine Isioma. She's as comfortable as anything in her husband's place. Driving a good car. Living in a good house. In the city for that matter. Bah, no. Amara, I cannot continue like this, so. I cannot continue. Not even this pregnancy can stop me. I am going to my father's house. Ken, I want to go to my father's house.
What's he going to do? I want to know why you want to go to your father's house.
What am I doing here?
Of course, you are my wife.
I'm your wife?
Yes.
Ken, I am your wife. A wife that you have not given food since yesterday. Ken, a wife that you cannot give money to go for antenatal. Ken, a wife you cannot provide for. You want me to stay in your house and die of hunger? No! Ajulu Maju!
You're not going to die of hunger, my love. I have been trying my best to take good care of us and the baby. Please, I've not been idle. I have been working day and night to provide for the household. I
don't want you to wallow again. That is why I want to go to my father's house. Yes! Where I can eat 3 square meals in a day. Where I can attend antenatal like my fellow pregnant women. Molubegi, I should stay here and die. Let me say many more. Look at this Isioma. She is enjoying. That is what they call marriage. This is prison. Prison yard. I want to free myself. Let me go and enjoy my life. Now that I am young. Don't worry. As for this child, after delivery, you can come and take the baby.
You know I love you so much. I can't just leave you with the baby. Biko. I'm my one okay. Me wuzi no women. I'm not on the moon. Biko. Hey, Biko.
Don't touch me. I don't want him love.
I have been trying my best to provide for the household. I work day and night. Please, God's time is the best.
God's time? I want to wait for that God's time. That is why I want to go to my father's house and wait. When that miracle you are waiting for happens, you will come and call me. I'm working. What I feel, Mama, may make you.
What am I going to do? I have submitted applications in several places and they have not called me. And now my wife is leaving me. Hi. This is unbearable for me. God,
Today, not today. I tell you. You see, today, she will see the other side of life she never knew that its existence.
No mind a foolish woman. Enter. Yeah. My husband. Today.
James, wash this car. Can you go on? Today. She will hear even our boss.
I was supposed.
Did I come?
Welcome, sir.
My lord, what is the meaning of this? And who is this old rickety man? Eh? They even have to come down from your driver's side to open the door for him. Why is this seated at the back seat? Stop telling me to shut up. What is it? What are you doing here? Are you mad? Why are you trying to enter my house? My house! Hey! What man? What? house.
No, calm down.
My house.
Calm down, calm down.
Calm down for what?
You spoil something. That's my boss.
Your boss?
Yes.
So what? Eh? What is it? Is that the reason he should be seated at the owner's seat? Or is that the reason he should be entering my house like that? Is he mad? You said this several years ago. Now you are the boss of your own.
I'm not the boss. Leave Pikotalo. Just calm down and hear me out. He is the boss. I mean, he's my oga. This house.
And you idiot! Why are you smiling and doing those rubbish things you are doing?
Insulting your fellow colleague. Listen, I am the driver. He is my oga. This is his car. This is his house. Try to understand. I need you to reactivate. You need to leave all those this thing. And begin to come down here and see your eye level. This is where we belong. You understand? This back seat belongs to him. The front side is my own. You understand me? I'm just the driver. I will explain everything to you. So you will fit into the car. You should know. Now look at my hand. You see blinks? There is no blinks here. There is no blinks here. There is no blinks here. Everything for the day. Observe all these things. You understand? Indonesia no really Indonesia. No Jakarta, all those things now just normal rice. I will explain.
Eh?
I ain't go say you be better person.
Before uncle, I know a better person.
To go check my way too.
Okay. Where was that from the
The way when I sit down like say, now when I be husband and wife, I don't understand. But whatever when I plan, I people want to say this house. Make me still manage this house.
You. This say I know they follow 12 on the up.
He just drink water finish, they use toothpick follow up.
For all of us. I beg.
All of us.
I know. But don't be that one coming come here. Good news day. I won't marry. Yes, be happy. I don't think I got
Next joke of the year.
Imagine.
I'm not a joke.
So, you don't jump finish from Rebecca to Mary, Mary to Esther, back to Peace. You want to finally settle down?
Yes.
Come on, go sit down.
I'm not a joke. I'm serious. I won't marry normal husband and wife, just something similar to what I did. Yes. Now I won't marry. Yes, but the problem is I never really see her. I never see her. But I don't hear good things about her. How she did the display. You understand? So now make me come meet you as my people might tell you now. Yes.
Wait, oh. Now you just they tell us now say you won't marry.
Yes.
But I never see her.
We never see the girl we won't marry.
I never see.
You want marry Shadow?
But no. But the problem where did I be say, I won't marry her in disguise.
In disguise. How you want to run her?
See, I hear stories about this girl. I hear say she no like poor guys at all. Our type, she know they run things with us. So what me won't do now be say, I just won't begin use Oga property. They go marry this girl. You understand?
Oga they have so.
I know say Oga they.
I'll go take I see this way to talk.
But me and you know say Oga they travel sometimes 2-3 months. You know they come back. So make I just carry Oga car. You understand me? Just carry go meet this girl, marry her. Once I marry her, finish, better carry her come house. Before I know her knock her, give her belly. Before I know now she don't do. She go talk after one. She don't go come get anywhere she go. You understand? No, now wash now.
I go back from my house.
Now me go knock her, not be you. And let me say that knock. Now me go knock her. Yeah, I think.
Imagine.
So
I'm
that
not
one,
inside this thing.
no. That one you never even need the cocoa now. So it didn't make me really come meet you as my people now. Where I know say when I go do for me now, be say, when I go work for me. Yeah. I know as I be talk and say let me come out.
That's how.
Okay, you go.
Now don't plan on Abi. Okay, that's not he go be your worker.
Hey, see promotion. Get man on top, get man. I go the open gate for Oga. They serve you too.
No, Oga no go do. Na me go come be the Oga now. I won't make sure that people see me as Oga. Just elevate myself. I beg.
Maybe. So if I cook, you go chop.
I feel make sure, but just they cook. You say cook, you go cook. I beg. I know say you go hard to beg all of you.
What are friends for? I go fit to.
I know say your own nine go hard for this matter because I need to beg you na plenty. But I beg James, let me beg, I beg. I beg. It means a lot to me. I love this girl.
Now, you see they talk about love.
I beg.
You get where you never see for her.
Love get the way they do. You never experience that, so you no go know. I beg.
If they cost me.
I no curse you now. You never see love. If you see love, you know they. I beg.
What are friends for? Well, leave out.
Thank you.
Corona for them.
Thank you.
What are friends for?
I beg.
It could be your turn tomorrow.
No do shakara.
Thank
We
you.
help our friend.
Thank you. I beg. Mona don't let me call her name 2 times. Anytime I shout her name, Mona, you understand? My go inside.
You don't give us order when the girl
No,
never
I never.
Now it's done now. If you don't tell us, we go stay call a meeting. Give them condition.
By man. It is so fire, body. You call me what you want to call me. Too much money.
Now everything is going on smoothly. Good. I just dey follow my step by step. Yeah. Yes.
I trust you.
Everything will make sense.
You get what I won't ask you.
Okay.
Who you tell these people say you be?
I know say I don't tell you say I don't get this format right from time. I tell them say I be one top businessman. You understand? Where they work for Indonesia. Yes, I won't tell them America, but America don't cast based on accent. You understand? All those things. I just say I tell them Indonesia. So I can't mention Jakarta. But I want the mother I bust.
Are you serious?
As I dey talk to you now, by the grace of God, now the full family na my matter dey gist. They don't give me that thing. I mean, they chop, they drink, they feel me because I dey do activities. All my doings, they feel. They like my settings.
Oh.
Yes.
This thing when you tell them now, you know, so all these boys where they come from abroad.
Yes.
The way they spend money. So how you take they manage the packaging?
Good as you ask. Now that one I don't want any position. You know, say my father get many lands for village.
Okay.
So wetin I do na just to sell one. You dey feel me na? I just sell am based on sharp. I just sell am one kind of amount like that. So na that money na I take dey do the doings. Me I never even use am the way they spend loud. No, but I just dey use am the you know the painful way for myself. I dey tell you. But seriously, I love that girl, sha. I love her. It's cool. I thank you for your support to my man.
No be way again. What are friends for?
Yes, I see you. So make I.
This your.
That blinks now. That blinks by you go now. Hey, you know what? I just go chatter them, make everywhere sharp. You understand? So as they talk, they go they believe. Man, go put this on that shed.
As today like this, I just dey feel saying that me and Oga dey talk.
What you go they feel now? Oga they talk.
Come on, dear, see me.
No, we no go come up for character. Come on, come on.
They no go dey used to me.
I dey feel like saying that me and Oga dey talk.
No.
Man, are you?
Very soon I go soon blow that. So it has gotten to the extent of you dashing a woman out of domestic car. You don't even pity me. So now, na leg now will take the waka.
That one tire me. Hey, but maybe make I ask you, what bring this idea of you giving her an apparent car? To me, it's not necessary now. The packaging where you don't do okay.
Yeah.
Hey, the only car where we say if you want go rush get something, now you take, now you just carry. Oh my goodness,
James, it ain't necessary. I know it's how they tell you. I am very sure of it. Listen, you don't try for me all this while. You guys have been there for me. Just wait, give me time. I know what they do. Listen, all na part of packaging. I tell you, say I get everything mapped out already. This one a part of my plan. You dey say I give woman, the woman why I give cannot be the woman why I wan marry. As I give am, that car go come back to me automatically. I know what they do. Don't worry yourself. You understand me? Just wait. People wey dey ask for this scale hand in marriage too many, and nobody don't give her car. So as I give her car, I don't shut down that family. Yes, now. Car I give everybody, they jubilate. Even if you see settings, they like my doings. Just wait. I know it's how they do. I beg. I know say you dey worry how you go take the good message, everything. All these cars wey Oga get, all the car keys dem dey with me. If na wan go buy something, I go use anyone go buy something. Oh, na packaging. I beg. Muna no vex.
Melvin, who do you this one?
Na love.
Who do you this one?
Na love. E go hard you to understand. You never know love na abeg. Who no love me dey do love abeg. Need love matter for me abeg.
Even if so okay now, even if I want to lose weight, now from this trekking.
You go lose am now abeg.
Melvin.
E go help you.
Abeg. No say una my correct people now. There's no way I go take dull una. You see, the honeymoon don't finish today. So by tomorrow now we dey come back to take what rightfully belong to us, which is the house. Yeah, that's where you be. You understand? So I beg, wetin I need now una cooperation. Make una just cooperate with me. You understand? I beg. Everything else I discuss, make it be according to as we plan now. All I need from you guys is your cooperation. Please help me. Please.
No wahala, nothing dey there now. Me I don't. Okay, we don't even decide not to help you. I may not be like say we no follow for your success too.
Thank you. Wetin it mean now be say from tomorrow, Maria, you go come be my cook stroke house girl. You understand?
The two?
Yes. Why James, you go be my pure gates man.
Who talk am?
No be by who talk am, na so e be. You understand? Everybody know. You understand? You na get man normally for oga before now, so transferring to me no go too hard you. Wetin I dey try talk be say I no go like to call una 2 times. If I just call Maria, run. If I say James, run. I beg. Make the thing for the sweet now. I beg.
You know,
You be like person wey be say they just promise you say they go give you police work. You don start arrest. They never give you uniform.
I just dey try activate na beg. Na beg I dey. I know they come the pride say na me get the house. Na no.
So now make Maria with James they serve Melvin.
Can you imagine?
Now, you go serve.
Then make you wear cock shoe come.
No, like the part of the plan. Na buy and na marry loga bear now. I beg. You understand? I go soon dey go now.
Maria James.
Yeah, James.
Melvin workers.
James, you go got to run go open gate. You no go wait make I reach gate before you na beg.
Now guy you be now.
So they run as I dey talk and go open gate. You go prepare indomie and come back later.
See, I dey on my knees dey beg una beg. We don't go far for this matter. We don't start this thing way back. No be now when everything don ripe now come go beg.
Nobody dey useless. See when una turn over important, over nice. That me carry me down the beg una like this. I beg. Una no go.
Hey, no, I beg. No, talk that nonsense. Now the same thing when you talk that day way this girl slap me, and I know say you no talk to her. Now I don dey beg. You say you talk to her, she no go get man. They talk to people that they do anyhow for this house. I don't agree. You see all this whole rap, we go scatter am.
Yes. No scatter am now.
In fact, you don't scatter.
I beg, Maria, beg now. Maria, let me beg you. Maria, beg.
She no go. She no go even try am with me, because as you see me so, my only identity na trouble.
Yes. So
if she cross my path, I will show her fire. I will show her my original place for this house.
I support you. She dey craze. I mean, who go get the right sense won't go cross your path? You know, how you dey your path? Nobody fit cross your path. No.
Sure.
I dey tell you, sure. You no go fit try am. Abeg, let me dey beg una. Make una just consider me. Everything go fall in place. I go make sure say I talk to her. I go put everything in place. But abeg, una no scatter everything. Abeg, we don't come too far. Understand me, James. Now you dey do this. Na me, based on that dey pay. Almost like by this dey go. You won't come like say the ginger for me. Abeg now. See me as I just see here now, I need down.
you go talk to them.
I go talk to Ram.
You go talk to them.
They tell you I beg.
You sure say you go talk to them?
I go talk to Ram. And they tell you I just make this thing work for me.
I talk to them.
Hey, make I stand up, I beg.
No, kneel down. Hey, you answer up first.
My hands on the up since you know they see her.
Yeah, put her down, make they go.
She slapped me.
Please, that's why I'm here begging. I want you people to let me handle this. I will handle it in my own way. Why would she slap you? I mean, it is wrong. I will not support that thing. Let me handle it.
I don't understand. This lady talks to us like some complete slave. No atom of respect at all. The worst of all is that she doesn't only insult our family, our generations too. What kind of woman is that?
What kind of woman is that? I don't know. It is wrong. But I am apologizing on her behalf. Please.
You know everything. I don't need to start talking too much. But I beg you in the name of God, just let me handle this. I promise you, this will never repeat itself again. I will fix everything. Please. Please.
Fix everything. So this slap, I should forget. Just like that.
No, it's not possible. She cannot get away with it.
Exactly. Go.
Okay, is there a way we can handle this? How hot is this slap? Can I receive this slap or not? Can you slap me?
What a friends for.
Instead of scratching everything, maybe you could just slap me. How hot is this slap?
The slap plenty.
Plenty slap. 15. Put me down. I cannot take all the slaps now.
As for me, I will slap you according to my size. According to the weight of my hand.
For your case, I need to be ready. See this way. I need to be ready for you. You know what will happen. When I'm ready, I will take this slap. But please, you should just calm down. Hey, but can I see that your hand again?
I'm always ready. Do you want it now?
I'll do justice to the slap. It's not today. It's not today's slap. Eh? I beg you. Just keep everything ready. So, no problem. Activate your mood.
What a friends for? Do you want it now?
Boss, no, okay. You are
Alright,
boss.
you can go.
Alright, you should go back to work. Go back to work.
Yes, sir. What a friends for?
Please, Maria, I am begging you. Try and understand. Just calm down now. Try. You know everything. No? You know everything.
Melvin! I am tired of those apologies. They not sound like broken records. What is it? I will no longer give her breathing space in this house again. I know you love her. But tell her to stay away from me.
I will tell her to stay away from her, to avoid you. But please, all I'm begging you now is calm down. Even the way you are shouting now, your voice might even bring commotion again.
I will shout.
No, don't shout. There's no point shouting. I will handle it. Please. Please.
Every time, I will handle it. I will jam her.
No, don't jam her now. Don't jam her. If you jam her, you know what will happen. Please, that one is straight ambulance. Don't jam her, please.
Melvin,
please.
I will use everything. I will just fail break and jam her.
No.
Don't say no one.
No, don't jam her.
Fix it, though. Every day you fix it, you handle it. Tomorrow, sorry. Melvin.
Please, as you are going, please don't jam. Don't jam anybody, please. James, I beg now. James, you know you can talk to her. Help me talk to her, please. Just calm her down.
Talking is not a problem. I can talk to Maria. But you know she's very stubborn. I am not giving you assurance that she will accept. I'll talk to her.
What's happening again?
Hey!
My love, I am sorry for everything. I did what I did because I love you. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Find a place in your heart and forgive me. Please.
You're begging me in the name of God. Melvin, do you know God? Imachuku, I trusted and loved you. How could you do this to me? Melvin, you are wicked. Hi. I tried my best. What a next just nonsense! What is this? Do you know suitors that came knocking at my door? Nappy! And you came and told me that you are from Shia country. I'm not worried about Pitalo. Hello, can even Macolon the buy? Oh, after mocking my friends, that they married Okada man. Oelele Abbas, Mande man bunko. I don't know better than me. You're just a common driver, ordinary driver. And I'll go monthly. I go get 10,000. At least other people, they are CEOs. Ndokada. About Tuntum, they are CEOs. They are better than me. Oh. King Akalundi Bayo.
I'm sorry.
Man, God will punish you. God will punish you.
God will punish you!
Enough, young lady.
Hey! Oh.
Take it easy. Melvin, I have heard what you said, and you are totally wrong. Marriage is a thing of choice. Both partners must go into it willingly. Marriage is built on love, not lies and material things. You are supposed to come out real. And you, young lady, life is not as you see it. It was the way you kept yourself that landed you into this kind of thing. It is obvious you could not relax and see what destiny has for you. You choose to decide what your destiny will look like and see where it has landed you. I'm sorry, but the deed has been done. You are already pregnant. You have only two options. It is either you leave the marriage and hand over the baby to him after birth. Or you stay with him forever because you are legally married. If I should advise you, I would tell you to stay. The millionaire you see here today was nobody 26 years ago. I had nothing when I married my wife. We managed and struggled together. And here we are today. God has blessed us. My wife and kids lives abroad. He loves you very much. He is a vibrant young man, a graduate with good grades. He is just here as my driver due to poor availability of white-collar jobs in this country. Don't make your decisions in life based on what you see now. Look into the future because the future is too large that no one can predict. Let what happened be a great lesson to you.
How the mighty have fallen. Oh. Kediru meji fu Ifeoma. Ifeoma na amara. Oh yeah, dealing mama. God will punish you. God will punish you. Hey.
So n'ike ịbụ onwe gị